number 7b part. You all need to see that Rehan couldn't solve it. So Rehan, आप देखेंगे क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व होना है. It's your question number 7b part, exercise 5a. Question number 7b part. Okay, your b part is 12 over y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. 12 by y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. You all know that solving an equation needs to find the value of the variable which is being used in that equation. In this question, y is the variable. So we find out.
कोई टीचर पेपर पे करवा टीचर.
Please students, please turn off your खुद को म्यूट कर लें. Exercise 5, question number 7b part, 12 by y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. We need to find out the value of the y. So after writing the solution, I'm going towards the cross multiplication. I am having two fraction and there is equal to between them. Whenever there is such kind of situation, you will do the cross multiplication. I hope that you all have done in the question number 7a part as well. There were two fractions and there was equal to between them. So we started completing that by doing cross multiplication. So I will do the same procedure in question number 7b part. I'm going from the towards the cross multiplication. 12 will be multiplied with 3 and 2 will be multiplied with y minus 1. 12 3s are 36 into 2y minus 2 1s are 2. Now we want to find out the value of y. So we need to evaluate it. First of all, minus 2 is being subtracted on left side, on right side of the equation. When I will take this 2 on the left side, this minus automatically changes to plus. So it will be 36 plus 2 is equal to 2y. 36 plus 2 is 38 is equal to 2y. Now 2 and y, there is no mathematical operation between 2 and y. So they are being multiplied. So when I will take this 2 on the left side of the equation, this 2 will be divided. So 38 divided by 2 is equal to y. After division, 2 1s are 2 and 2 9s are 18 is equal to y. The value of y is 19. Let me repeat the question. This was your exercise 5a question number 7b part. You were given with 12 by y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. There were two fractions. There was equal to mark between them. So we started by solving a question from the cross multiplication. 12 was being multiplied with 3 and 2 was being multiplied with y minus 1. 12 3s are 36. 2y minus 2 1s are 2. 2 was having a negative sign on right side of equation. When you will take this 2 on the left side, it will be added. So 36 plus 2 is 38 is equal to 2y. Because there is no mathematical operation between 2 and y, so which means they are being multiplied. So when you will take this 2 on the left side of the equation, this 2 will be divided because it was being multiplied with a variable. So on the other side, it will be divided. After division, you can do the division as like this as well. 2 1s are 2, 1 and 8, and 2 9s are 18. So after division you got 19. So value of y is 19. Question start करने से पहले मैंने आपको बताया था किसी भी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का मतलब होता है to find out the value of the variable. If you got the value of the variable, then question ends over here. Okay, this is your exercise 5, question number 7b part. If any one of you want to take the screenshot, then you can go for it. Otherwise, I'm going towards your question number 8.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Rohan.
I want to ask that नीचे y minus 1 है, आपने उसको जैसे नीचे उतारा आपने y minus 2 क्यों कर दिया?
Because 2 is being multiplied. 2y minus 2 1s are 2. Divided by 2y minus 2.
समझ नहीं आई क्या मतलब? y और ब्रैकेट में y और -1 है.
2 और y माइनस 1 ये दो मुख्तलिफ टर्म्स हैं. इन दोनों के दरमियान कोई भी ऑपरेशन नहीं पड़ा हुआ, ना प्लस लिखा हुआ है, ना माइनस लिखा हुआ है, ना डिवीजन लिखी हुई है, ना मल्टीप्लाई लिखा हुआ है. जब कोई भी मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन नहीं होता तो हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं.
Multiply.
y minus 2 1s are 2. That is why 2 is being multiplied with y minus 1.
Okay. किसको सीधा करें, मैंने इसकी पिक्चर बनानी है. 2 y minus 2 1s are 2. 2 और y minus 1 है. 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 बस ठीक है.
Okay, now I'm moving towards your question number 8. This is your question number 8. Solve each of the question. This question number 8 is same as question number 4. Question number 8. Question 8 is same as your question number 4.
Teacher,
As you can see, your n part.
teacher,
Yes.
you
जी
can
बताएं.
टीचर मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुई हूँ. आप क्वेश्चन 7 का बी
बेटे
पार्ट फिर
पूछे क्या
से.
सवाल है?
टीचर मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुई हूँ, तो आप क्वेश्चन 7 का बी पार्ट बताएंगे.
मैं आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का बी पार्ट की पिक्चर दिखा देती हूँ. यू कैन गो टू द यूट्यूब टू सी दैट, क्योंकि मेरा ऑलरेडी टाइम जा चुका है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का बी पार्ट ये, आप इसकी पिक्चर लेना चाहें तो पिक्चर ले लें. इसको दोबारा समझने के लिए यूट्यूब पे चले जाइएगा, वो बड़े आसान हो जाएगा आपके लिए, क्योंकि मेरा टाइम बहुत चला गया.
ओके.
नेक्स्ट से देख लें. नेक्स्ट हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 स्टार्ट करना है. ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जो है वो आपका, इसका ए पार्ट देखें. -3 into 2 minus x is equal to 6x. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सी पार्ट किया है. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का ए पार्ट आपने करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के बी पार्ट को देखें. 5 minus 3x is equal to -6 into x plus 2. This is same as your question number 4 F part. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 F part को देख लें, या क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के G part को देख लें. ये आपके क्वेश्चन सेम है as your question number 4. I will just solve your E part of question number 8. Question number 8 को सिर्फ E part में solve करेंगे. You have to solve rest of the part by yourself. So it's your question number 8 E part. 3 into f minus h is equal to -2 into h minus 2 is equal to -1. This is your question number 8 E part. 3 into f minus h is equal to -2 into h minus 2 is equal to -1. There is no equal to, this is -2 only. This is my mistake. So you need to just ignore it. So first of all, as you can see, okay, there is no mathematical operation between this 3 and the bracket. You have to multiply this inside the bracket. 3 5s are 15 minus 3 8 minus, now I have to multiply -2 inside the bracket. Whenever you will take -2 inside the bracket for multiplication, the sign inside the bracket will change. 2 into h will be 2h, minus minus will be plus, and 2 2s are 4 is equal to -1. 2 h's are 2h, minus and minus will be plus, and 2 2s are 4. This was the first step in which I have multiplied 3 and minus 2 inside it. Now I am going to take like terms together. As you can see, this 15 and 4 are like terms. आमना मुर्तजा अली बेटे, आपका माइक ऑन है, प्लीज इसको ऑफ कर दें. So in the first step, I have multiplied 3 and -2 inside the bracket. Now you can see it's 15 and 4. These are like terms. 15 plus 4. Now it is your choice if you want to take the like terms together first, then you want to solve it, or otherwise you can go for the direct calculation as well. I'm going for the direct calculation. 15 plus 4 is 19. Now h and h, these two are like terms, but this 3h is having negative and also -2 is having negative. Because signs of the both terms are same, which means we have to do the addition. So 3 plus 2 is 5h, but sign of greater value, 3 is greater and which is having negative, so I will place negative with the 5 is equal to -1. First, in the first step, I have multiplied 3 and 2 inside the bracket. In the second step, I have solved the like terms. Now you can see that I want to find out the value of h. Because this 5h is having negative sign, when I will take this on the right side of the equation, this minus will change to plus. Now 1 is having a negative sign. When I will take this negative sign on the left side of the equation, it will be added, is equal to 5h. 19 plus 1 is 20 is equal to 5h. 19 plus 1 is 20 is equal to 5h. Now 5 is being multiplied with a variable. When I will take this 5 on the other side of the equation, it will be divided. So 5 fours are 20 is equal to 8. So this is the value of h. This is your question number 8e part. In the first step, I have multiplied 3 and minus 2 inside the bracket. 3 fives are 15 minus 3h minus 2h minus plus and 2 twos are 4 is equal to minus 1. 15 and 4 are like term. 15 plus 4 is 19 minus 3h and minus 2h. These are two like term because both of the terms are having same sign, so we will add them. So 3 plus 2 is 5, but sign of greater value because 3 is greater, it is having negative, so we will place negative with the 5 is equal to minus 1. 5h is having negative sign, so whenever I will take this 5h on the other side of the equation, it will, this minus will change to plus. Also this there is minus 1, so I will take this minus 1 on the left
Miss,
side of the equation, so this minus changes to 19
excuse me,
is equal to 5h. Yes, जी बताएं.
मिस मिस आपने पहले 19 को सीधा उसकी तरफ क्यों नहीं लेके गई, -1 की तरफ? पहले
आप
आप 5h
19
को -1 की तरफ लेके गई थी.
आप 19 को -1 की तरफ ले जाए, दोनों तरीके एक जैसे हैं, दोनों से आंसर सेम आएगा. यहाँ से डिफरेंट है. 19 minus 5h is equal to -1. आप -5h वैसे ही रखें. 19 से पहले क्या साइन है? प्लस का, बिकॉज देर इज नो साइन विच मीन्स 19 is having a plus sign. 19 से पहले प्लस है, so when you will take this 19 on the right side of the equation, तो ये -19 ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. लेकिन इस 5h के साथ जो माइनस था वो माइनस रहेगा. -5h अब दोनों के साथ सेम साइंस हैं, तब भी आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन साइन ऑफ ग्रेटर वैल्यू विल कम. दोनों तरफ के माइनसेस कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे, आपके पास आ जाएगा 5h is equal to 20. 5 is being multiplied with a variable on the other side, it will be divided. तो h की वैल्यू फिर भी आपके पास क्या रहती है? 4 आ जाती है. यहाँ से भी h की वैल्यू 4 आती है, यहाँ से भी h की वैल्यू 4 आती है. दोनों में से जो सा मर्जी मेथड आप यूज करें, आपका आंसर सेम आता है. दिस इज योर मेथड नंबर 1, दिस इज योर मेथड नंबर 2. आप दोनों में से जो सा मर्जी मेथड आप यूज कर लें, दोनों में से आपके एज की वैल्यू सेम आते हैं. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ई पार्ट. इफ एनीवन ऑफ यू वांट टू टेक पिक्चर, सो प्लीज गो फॉर इट. Question number 8e part, you have to solve rest of the parts by yourself, which is your homework. I will check your homework on Monday, inshallah. Before starting the class, I will make sure that you all must have your homework with you. Because I have solved the E part, which means you have to solve A, B, C, and D, 4 parts by yourself. Now I'm going to start your question number 9. Okay, there is a lot of similarity in question number 9 and somewhere in question number 7B part. Just see question number 7B part. I have solved question number 7B part, and this is your question number 9. You can see whenever you are having two fractions, there is equal to between them, we went for cross multiplication. So this is the same procedure that we will follow in question number 9 as well. There are two fractions, there is equal to between them, so we will go for the cross multiplication. In this A, B, C, and D, all these 4 parts are same. So I will solve only D part, and I will solve D part and F part for you. You have to solve other parts by yourself. This is your question number 9 D part. I'm going to start your question number 9 D part. Question number 9 D part is 1 by 4 into 5y plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 into 2y minus 1. Okay, this is your question number 9 D part. 1 by 4 into 5y plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 into 2y minus 1. First of all, you can see this 1 is being multiplied with this bracket. So जब आप 1 से multiply करें, it doesn't make any difference. So 5y plus 4 divided by 4 is equal to, same procedure you will follow over here, 2y minus 1 divided by 3. Because whenever you multiply any number with 1, it doesn't make any difference. It will be same. Now you can see there are two fractions and there is equal to between them. So we will go towards the cross multiplication. 3 will be multiplied with 5y plus 4 and 4 will be multiplied with 2y minus 1. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12, 15y. 3 5s are 15y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to 4 2s are 8y minus 4 1s are 4. Okay, now you can see this 15 of equation. So 15y, sign of the value is always written before it because there is no sign before 8, which means 8 is having a plus sign. So whenever you will take this 8 on the left side of the equation, this plus will change to minus. This minus 4 will remain as it is. Now this 12 is having plus sign. So when you will take this plus on the right side of the equation, this plus will change to minus. 15 minus 8, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7y, because both of the values are having same sign, so we will add them. 4 plus 12 is 16, but sign of greater value will remain as it is. Now 7 is being multiplied with the variable, so when you will take this on the other side, it will be divided. Minus 16 by 7 is your answer. Let me check the question again. It was question number 9D part 1 by 4. 5y plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 into 2y minus 1. This was your question number 8. Question number 9D part. When you will multiply 1 with the bracket, it will not make any difference. So 5y plus 4 divided by 4, same procedure on the right side, 2y minus 1 divided by 3. We are having two fractions and there is equal to between them, so we will go towards the cross multiplication. 3 will be multiplied with 5y plus 4 and this 4 will be multiplied with 2y minus 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to 2 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 4 1s are 4. Because you can see that 15 and 8, these are two like terms, so we will take them on one side of the equation. So sign of the value is always written before it because there is no sign before 8, which means 8 is having plus sign. So when you will take this 8 on the left side of the equation, this plus will changes to minus 15y minus 8. Also, this 12 is having a plus sign. So when you will take this on the right side of the equation, it will changes to minus 4, minus 4 minus 12. 15 minus 8 is 7. Minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. 7 is being multiplied on the other side. It will be divided. So your answer will be y is equal to minus 16 by 7. So this is your answer. This is your question number 9D part. This is your question number 9D part. I think that you can solve F part by yourself. It is very easy. बड़ा आसान है. आप चाहे यहाँ से डायरेक्ट एलसीएम ले लें ई पार्ट में, चाहे आप डायरेक्ट एलसीएम ले लें या आप पूरी की पूरी फ्रैक्शन को उस तरफ ले जाएं. Both of the methods will be correct. So question number 9 E part, F part, B, A and C. This is your homework. So you all need to note down your homework. Exercise 5A, question number 8, A to D, while from question number 9, I have solved C, I have solved D part, A to C and E, F. ये आपका homework है. Except the D part of question number 9, you have to solve question number 8 and 9 by yourself. Exercise 5A, question number 8, A to D, and from question number 9, except the D part, you have to solve complete question number 9 by yourself. This is your homework for Monday's class.
Okay.
Have you all noted down? Okay, now we can start our question answer session. अगर आप लोगों को आज के सेशन में से कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, तो please go for it and asking your question one by one. Ahmed Raza, I told you thousands of times that you need to turn on your camera. मोहम्मद उमर नूर शमसी, बहुत लेट ज्वाइन किया आपने और अपना कैमरा ऑन रखे. अब्दुर्रहमान मलिक कैमरा ऑन रखे. मोहम्मद बिन फैसल अपना कैमरा ऑन रखे. Yes, Ryan Siddiqui, what is your question?
टीचर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 के बी पार्ट कैसे होना है?
क्वेश्चन 9 का मोस्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 के जैसा ही है, क्योंकि देखिए वहां पर भी देयर वर टू फ्रैक्शन एंड देयर वाज इक्वल टू बिटवीन देम, तो हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देते थे। यहाँ पे भी आके बात देखें, दो फ्रैक्शंस है और इक्वल टू है तो आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देंगे, दो फ्रैक्शंस है और इक्वल टू है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देंगे। यहाँ 7 के नीचे 1 लगा लें तो बिल्कुल वही क्वेश्चन बन जाता है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लेंगे। ई पार्ट में
Okay.
पूरी की पूरी फ्रैक्शन लग जाए, यहाँ से आप एलसीएम ले लें तो आपका काम हो जाए।
Okay.
एनीथिंग एल्स बेयान?
No.
हमने मुझसे एक सवाल पूछना चाह रही हैं आप? अब्दुर्रहमान, आपका कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ। तो प्लीज अपना माइक बंद कर दो। मोहम्मद उमर नूर शमसी, बेटे कोई सवाल पूछना है आपने? आपने वैसे ही लेट ज्वाइन किया, आपको तो बड़ी डिफिकल्टी हुई होगी।
जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का डी पार्ट बता देंगी?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का डी पार्ट मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ। दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 डी पार्ट। 1/4 into 5y plus 4 is equal to 1/3 into 2y minus 1. First of all, I have multiplied this bracket with 1. It will not make any difference. Same process over here. Then we are having two fractions. There is equal to between them. So I went for the cross multiplication. 3 will be multiplied with 5y plus 4, and 4 is multiplied with 2y minus 1. So 3 5s are 15, y plus 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 1s are 4. 15 or 8 are like terms, so you will take them on one side of the equation because it is having plus. Whenever you will take this on the other side, it will change this to minus. This 12 is having plus. Whenever you will take this on the other side, this will change this to minus as well. 15y minus 8y is 7y, minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. 7 is being multiplied on the other side, it will be divided. So the value y is minus 16 by 7. थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है, बट आई थिंक दैट यू कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब। ये आपको यूट्यूब से काफी हेल्प हो जाएगी। इस वक्त मैंने जल्दी जल्दी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया बिकॉज आई एम ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम। जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने लेट ज्वाइन किया है, प्लीज यूट्यूब पे जाके अपना होमवर्क देख लीजिएगा, अपना सिलेबस काम देख लीजिएगा कि आज हमने क्या काम किया है। एंड एक्सरसाइज 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 A to D and question number 9 A to C, E and F is your homework, except question number 9 D part. Other question number 9 parts is your homework. Is there anyone of you who want to ask anything? क्या आप में से कोई सवाल पूछना चाह रहा है? मोमिन, बयान, आमना, कोई सवाल पूछना तो जल्दी से पूछ लें।
यस टीचर, अगर 19 को राइट साइड पे ले जाओ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ई पार्ट में, तो आंसर सेम ही आएगा ना?
जी, आंसर सेम ही आ रहा है। दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ई पार्ट। मैं 19 को दूसरी साइड पर ले गई हूँ, मेरा आंसर तभी h इज इक्वल टू 4 ही आया। मोमिन, वैसे भी मेरा h इज इक्वल टू 4 ही आ रहा था, आपका मेथड फॉलो कर ले तब भी h इज इक्वल टू 4 ही आता है। क्लास इज अबाउट टू ओवर, सो मंडे तक अपना होमवर्क अपना लाजमी कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा आप सब। ओके?
Excuse me, teacher.
जी रेहान, जल्दी पूछना, टाइम ओवर हो गया।
F पार्ट भी E पार्ट के बिना कर सकते हैं एलसीएम लेके?
कर ले।
Okay.